broken. I just broke my bed. Hey guys! Today, I'm going to teach you how to pick your cell phone ringtone. As if it wasn't painfully obvious from the title of the video. Shut up, Paul! Everyone hates the custom ringtone that comes with every cell phone. Pick up the phone. I'm gonna kill you if you don't pick up the phone. I know I do. Just because you hate something doesn't mean everyone else hates it too. Shut up, Paul! First, I want you to pull out your cell phone. Second, I want you to find a song that gets you psyched. Drugs, give me drugs. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not too psyched. You don't want to get too psyched because you never know if it's a bad call or not. Imagine getting all psyched just to know that your brother dropped your computer. Did you find the song yet? Good. Now it's time to set it. Please tell me you know how to do that. Okay. Go to Settings, Sound, scroll down to Ringtones and Notifications, and Device Ringtone. There you go. That was just the explanation for Android. So if you're using an iPhone, sucks to be you. Now this is the last step, and also the most important. I want you to show off your ringtone to all your friends. So much so that they'll want to stop hanging out with you. Hey dude, check out my awesome ringtone. Nah dude. No, seriously, it's like really freaking awesome. Check it out. No! Dude, just listen to it. Who else wants to listen to my ringtone? It's amazing! I chose the perfect one. No one wants to listen to your ringtone. Come on, guys. Let's go. Whoops. You ruined my life, dude! My friends. Hey, that's how it goes. Goodbye, and I hope to see you on Monday. You know the drill. Subscribe if you want to. Like this video if you want to. I'll see you on the Mondays. Check it out. It's like there's a hole, isn't it? How am I going to explain this to my parents? Well, almost dropped you. I'm pointing too much, aren't I?